Hello, my dear student. This is Mcq Khan. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today, I would like to discuss about e-banking, debit card, credit card, and mobile banking. Chapter 11: Use of Information and Communication Technology in Business. E-banking or electronic banking is the modern system or technique of providing banking service facilities. Electronic banking is a safe, fast, easy, and efficient electronic services that enables you access to bank account and to carry out online banking services 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. This is such type of banking service system where it is possible to provide very quick, flawless, and extensive banking services to the valued customers by making use of developed electronic technology, especially by using computer. Such dynamic type of banking system has terminated the era of traditional physical labor-based and slow banking system that was characterized by limited service package and a backdated office packed with piled up papers and files. Electronic banking systems are electronic systems that transfer money and record data relating to these transfers. That means electronic banking services are the developed service system of the overall banking service package. The electronic banking service facilities include automated teller machine, that is ATM, debit card and credit card, online banking, home banking, point of sales service, that is POS, automated clearinghouse services. To conclude, it can be said that electronic banking is a sophisticated electronic system in which very promptly extended banking services are provided flawlessly by using computer technology. In this case, various activities like withdrawal, collection, and transfer of money, performing transactions, preservation and delivery of information, communication, etc. performed through electronic system. Debit card. A debit card is a payment card that deducts money directly from a customer's account to pay for a purchase. Debit cards eliminates the need to carry cash or physical checks to make purchase directly from client savings. The card holder can also be used at ATM to withdraw cash. How a debit card works: debit cards serve a dual purpose. They allow the user to withdraw money from his or her bank account through either an ATM or the cash back function many merchants at the point of sale. In addition, they also allow the user to make purchases. Debit cards require users to pay now, as the card uses money directly from client's bank account for purchases or ATM withdrawals. So, a debit card is a bank card used to make purchase with the cash in the cardholder's deposits account. Unlike credit cards, which are not tied to cash deposits, a debit card can only be used if the account holder has money in the bank account. Additionally, debit cards are secured with a personal identification number, that is PIN, which must be inputted at the ATM or occasionally when making a purchase. Different types of debit card: Visa Classic debit card, Visa Gold debit card, Visa Platinum debit card, Visa Signature debit card, Visa Infinite debit card. You know, Visa Incorporation, an American multinational financial services corporation, headquarters in Foster City, California, United States. It facilitates electronic fund transfers throughout the world, most commonly through Visa branded credit cards, debit cards, and prepaid cards. The founder of Visa, D. Hook. Credit card. A credit card is a thin rectangular slab of plastic or metal issued by a financial company that lets cardholders borrow funds with which to pay for goods and services. Credit cards imposes the condition that cardholders pay back the borrowed money plus interest as well as any additional agreed on charges. The credit company provider may also grant a line of credit, that is LOC, to cardholders, enabling them to borrow money in the form of cash advances. Issuers customarily preset borrowing limits based on an individual's credit rating. A vast majority of businesses let the customers make purchases with credit cards, which remain one of today's most popular payment methodologies for buying consumer goods and services. So, at the end, we can say that debit card allow bank customers to spend money by drawing on funds they have deposited at the bank. Credit card allow consumers or client to borrow money from the card issuer up to a certain limit in order to purchase items or goods or withdraw cash. Now I'd like to discuss about mobile banking. Mobile banking is a service provided by a bank or other financial institutions that allows its customers to conduct financial transactions remotely using a mobile device such as a smartphone or tablet. Unlike the related internet banking, it uses software usually called an app provided by the financial institutions. The purpose: mobile banking is usually available for 24-hour basis. Mobile banking is dependent on the availability of an internet or data connection to the mobile device. Mobile text and alert is the simplest, allowing the user to transfer funds or access account information via text message. Users need to first register and verify their phone's number with their bank, but once that's completed, they can also set up alerts to let them know about negative balance or deposit confirmations. From the bank's point of view, mobile banking reduces the cost of handling transactions by reducing the need for customers to visit a bank branch for non-cash withdrawal and deposit transactions. Mobile banking does not handle transferring involving cash, and the customers needs to visit an ATM or bank branch for cash withdrawals or deposits. To this end, a client has to fill up a prescribed form giving his or her mobile number. Therefore, he or she can know his account balance instantly by sending an SMS or short message service against the fixed code from the mobile number that helps the client in case he wants to cut a check or decides a financial matter. What transactions were made latest can also be known in this limited scope. In addition, it is possible to pay bills by sending SMS message as well as command transfer of funds to other accounts. In case of mobile business or M business, by virtue of having internet connection in the mobile's handset, scopes available to performing transaction and receiving other facilities, including purchasing by visiting certain website that is practiced through credit card. In Bangladesh, BRAC has introduced such banking services named Bikash. At first, Das Bangla Bank in 2011 introduced mobile banking system in Bangladesh. That is through introducing rocket services. Later on, BRAC Bank introduced mobile banking services named Bikash, now which is more popular in Bangladesh. Besides, Mcash is introduced by Islami Bank Bangladesh Limited. Ucash is introduced by UCBL Bank Limited. That's all about mobile banking system. And what is the difference between mobile banking and internet banking? The biggest difference between the two to their functionality, internet banking allows you to conduct online transactions through your PC or that is personal computer or laptop, and an internet connection. On the other hand, mobile banking can be done with or without internet. Many banks nowadays have their mobile apps for mobile banking. Now I would like to mention some MCQ questions. What is the full form of PIN? There is personal identification number. What is the full form of SMS, short message service? At first in Bangladesh, which bank introduced mobile banking system? Das Bangla Bank Limited. In which year mobile banking system is introduced by Das Bangla Bank in Bangladesh? 2011. In which year mobile banking system is introduced in Bangladesh? That is 2011. At first, which company of the world initiated e-business? Amazon.com. What type of business is B2C? E-retailing, that is electronic retailing. What is the modern alternative of check? ATM card, that is a debit card. In what type of business goods or commodities are directly sold with the customers and consumers. E-retailing, that is electronic retailing. Which scope or pervasiveness is wide in considering the activity e-business. That's all about the MCQ, important MCQ of this chapter. Now I would like to mention some comprehensive based questions. Why is credit card better than debit card? Why is mobile banking different from general banking? Why is mobile banking going to be more popular? Why is debit card less risky for bank? What is meant by e-banking? What kind of business is B2C? That's all about comprehension based questions. This chapter is very important for creative and MCQ questions. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.